First one, finding length and breadth when you know area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is given, you have to find length and breadth. Example, area of rectangle is 48 square units. You have to find length and breadth. I give some options, you think and select. Option A, 8 and 6. Option B, 12 and 4. Option C, 16 and 3. Option D, all of these. So before thinking answer, first you recall area of rectangle. Formula for area of rectangle. So area of rectangle is length into breadth. So now option A, 8 6 are 48. So option A is correct. Option B, 12 4s are 48. So option B also correct. Now you check option C. 16 3s are 48. So option A, B, C all are correct. So you select all of these option D. From this we get an idea. For this type of question we get many answers. First question, area of rectangle is 12 square units. Here I have 12 square blocks. Now I am going to arrange the blocks. Breadth, I will take breadth 1. I will check the length. The length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Length is 12, breadth is 1. So the first dimension of this rectangle is length equal to 12, breadth equal to 1. The second dimension I am going to find. Now length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breadth is 1, 2. So the second dimension is length equal to 6, breadth equal to 2. I will arrange some other way. Now length 1, 2, 3, 4. Length is 4 units. Breadth is 1, 2, 3. 3 units. So now we are getting 3 answer. First answer is length equal to 12. Breadth equal to 1. Second dimension is length equal to 6. Breadth equal to 2. The third dimension is length equal to 4. Breadth equal to 3. So we are getting 3 answers for given rectangle. Now I explain with a number. Area of rectangle is 12 square units given. Formula for finding area of rectangle is length into breadth. First you recall factors of 12. Factors means from one table. So 1 12s are the same as 12 1s are. 2 6 are the same as 6 2s are. 3 4s are the same as 4 3s are. So first we arranged 12, length equal to 12, breadth equal to 1. Next we arranged length equal to 6, breadth equal to 2. Finally we arranged length equal to 4, breadth equal to 3. So we get same answers. So area of rectangle is 12 square units. If length is 12, breadth is 1. If length is 6, breadth is 2. If length is 4, breadth is 3. So you remember multiplication tables and factors of given numbers. I explain another example. Area of this rectangle is 24 square units. If I take length equal to 24, breadth is 1. We know very well. So I start from length is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Breadth is 1, 2. So length equal to 12, breadth equal to 2. We get one dimension. So I arrange some other way. Now you are seeing length equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breadth is 1, 2, 3. So length equal to 8 units, breadth equal to 3 units. So area of this rectangle, we can arrange length equal to 8 units, breadth equal to 3 units. We can arrange another way also. Now you are seeing length equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Breadth equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units. Length equal to 6, breadth equal to 4. Area of rectangle is 24 square units. Formula for finding area of rectangle is length into breadth. Now you recall factors of 24 from one table. So 124 is same as 24 ones are. 2 12s are is same as 12 twos are. 3 8s are is same as 8 threes are. 4 6 are is same as 6 fours are. If length is 24, breadth is 1. If length is 12, breadth is 2. If length is 8, breadth is 3. If length is 6, breadth is 4. So we can get many answers for this type of questions.